Why are your hands so flaky? Causes and fixes revealed. Do your hands feel dry, cracked, or flaky? No matter how much lotion you use, you're not alone. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden causes of flaky hands and show you simple but powerful ways to treat and prevent them. Here are the main causes of flaky hands. The top one cause of flaky hands: frequent hand washing or sanitizer use. Why it causes flakiness? Soaps and alcohol-based sanitizers strip away natural oils, leaving the skin dry and irritated. Common in health workers, parents, or anyone washing hands often. The second cause of flaky hands. Number two, cold weather or low humidity. Why it causes flakiness? Cold air holds less moisture, and indoor heating dries the air even more. This pulls moisture from your skin. Common in winter months or air conditioned spaces. The third common cause of flaky hands: bars, soaps, or detergents. Why it causes flakiness? Many soaps contain sulfates and chemicals that disrupt your skin's natural barrier. Common in dishwashing, laundry, or using heavily perfumed soap. Fourth cause of flaky hands, dehydration. Why it causes flakiness? When your body lacks water, your skin becomes dry and flaky from the inside out. Common in people who drink little water or consume too much caffeine or alcohol. The top 5 cause of flaky hands, skin conditions. Example given are eczema or psoriasis. Why it causes flakiness? These are inflammatory skin disorders that cause redness, dryness, and peeling. Common in people with sensitive or allergy-prone skin. From weather changes to harsh soaps to underlying health issues, flaky hands can be more than just a skin care issue. I'll break down the top causes and don't worry, we've got effective natural remedies and prevention tips. You can start today. Moving on, the sixth cause of flaky hands, vitamin deficiencies. Why it causes flakiness? Lack of vitamins like vitamin B7, biotin, vitamin A, and vitamin E affects skin health and renewal. Common in poor diet, restrictive eating, or malabsorption issues. The seventh cause of flaky hands, sunburn or sun damage. Why it causes flakiness? After a burn, skin peels off to renew itself. Common in those exposed to sun without protection. The eighth cause of flaky hands, certain medications. Why it causes flakiness? Some drugs like retinoids, diuretics, or acne treatments can dry out the skin. As a side effect, the eighth cause of flaky hands, number 9. Why it causes flakiness? As we age, our skin produces less oil and loses its ability to retain moisture. Number 9. Why it causes. Number 10. Allergic reactions or contact dermatitis. Why it causes flakiness? Your skin may react to new gloves, cleaning products, jewelry, or lotions. Number 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share with someone struggling with the same issue. Subscribe for more tips on everyday health and skincare. Remember, caring for your hands is caring for your health. Stay hydrated and keep glowing. Flaky hands can be a result of several factors, most commonly due to dry skin. This condition can occur when the skin loses moisture, often exacerbated by environmental factors such as cold weather, low humidity, or excessive hand washing with harsh soaps. Other potential causes include dermatitis, eczema, or psoriasis, which are conditions that lead to inflammation and scaling of the skin. Additionally, inadequate hydration and nutritional deficiencies, particularly in essential fatty acids or vitamins like A and E, can contribute to the problem. To address flaky hands, it's important to moisturize regularly. Use gentle skin products and protect your hands from harsh environmental conditions. If the issue persists, it might be wise to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation and treatment. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for you to be updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Alira here is signing off.